Begin by gently cleansing the eyebrow area with a pre-wax cleanser. Starting in the center of the eyebrows, hold the skin tight and apply the wax using a firm pressure, making sure to keep clean edges to give you a nice and accessible pull tab. Hold the skin tight, remove. Moving to the next area, again, holding the skin really tight as you apply the wax as close to the brow line as possible. Continue the same on the other side. For finishing details, apply the desired shade and fill in the eyebrows, combing the color in between for a natural looking effect. When brows are filled in to the desired level, finish with tweezing and trimming for a completed look.